So you got, after you take this plate off here, your access cover, you got 3 screws, number 2 Phillips, come on, and the latch. They no longer make a left hand and a right hand. They only come in the left hand anymore for whatever reason. But if you look at this hole here, basically there's a plate on the inside of the striker area that's vertical. So what you do when you get this pushed in, drop it down, and this will pop out like when you push away from you. And then the new one, there's a spring washer on there on the part that it hooks to. So you got to kind of pull it tight, and then you fling it back up again, and then you get this back up through the hole. Come on. How did I do this last time? Did the other one. I don't have my headlamp. I don't know what I did with it. We're stuck on it. Come on. There we go. That was a stubborn one. You can see the reason I'm replacing mine. The spline shaft is all gone. Somebody brazed it and drilled a hole to try to get the screw to at least stay, but that didn't work either. Oh, this one, the end's broken off. It looks like they cut it off. Weird. But you can see the difference between them. Well, this one has a finger down here. This one, the finger is gone, but it goes the other direction, and also the spring groove is the opposite. So this is the right hand. Hopefully it goes on a little easier than it came off. I don't know why that one was so tough. The other one came off nice and easy. You gotta make sure your spring washer's still on there. There we go. And it's on. Yeah, that was definitely easier. On the right side of the window regulator. Sure looks loose, so. Okay. Still in good. Yeah. And of course your inside door handle. It's an Allen screw, 5/64. Looks like about the right angle. Wish I had my longer Allen wrenches. This is kind of a pain using a little teeny thing. Well, the other handles I took off had a slotted screw, so I don't know if the old ones just used a slotted screw or somebody altered it or what. But, I mean, how often do you really need to take it off? It screws down there quite a ways. In my opinion, they probably could have just used a longer Allen screw. Starting to get tight. You don't want to strip your Allen screw. Now, see, on the other side, you push it forward to lock the door. I'm not sure how you'll lock the door with this one, being that it's two left-hand levers. I really don't think you can. I think maybe that's why. Well, that wouldn't make sense either. Oh well, that's done.